Hello students, welcome to this video. Today we will do vowel sound. Now we are going to do E and I sound. We have done A sound in our last video. Let's start. E sound. L E G L. B E G bag. L E G leg. N E N M E N man. T E N ten. E D at. B-E-D bed. R-E-D red. I sound. I-T it. S-I-T sit. P-I-T pit. I-N in. P-I-N pin. T-I-N tin. I-P ip. Z-I-P zip. L-I-P lip. Let's do an activity. Here you have to circle the words having I sound. Bed, pin, pen. Pin has I sound. Jeep, cat, pet. Jeep has I sound. Circle the E sound. Can, pen, sit. Pen has I-E sound. Mat, pig, hen. Hen has E sound. Dear students, your homework is revise E and I sound.